Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are opening up another Allure beauty box. So let's get in and let's get into the box. Alright guys, welcome back. Alright, so for those of you who don't know, Allure beauty box is a monthly subscription. It's $15 a month and they send you a ton of different products, full size, sample size. I would say mostly deluxe size and full size products is what you get from this one. This is one of the beauty subscriptions that I have not canceled. It's been over a year at this point. So if you're looking for like a subscription where you get a variety of high quality and low quality, well, a variety of products. I don't want to say high or low, but this is the one that you want to grab because I've always loved everything that I've gotten in my subscription from Allure. And if you like hauls, reviews, things like that, definitely make sure you're subscribed. And also check out my blog because I post on my blog every day giving you guys reviews and all hauls and updates like that. So definitely stay tuned on that channel, well, that blog, because you're going to get way more information. All right, so this is the way, if you don't know, this is the way that Allure Beauty Box comes each month. So it's a ton of packed products in the box. And they always give you a booklet. So this one, that's who's on the front. And then inside you get like the full price version of the product. So you can kind of figure out from the photos in the booklet if it's full size or if it's like a deluxe size sample of it. But it's always wrapped in tissue paper. And then let's take a look and see what's inside. So this is like a sneak peek of what's inside my box. Everyone's box is totally different. So if you watch one Allure beauty box and you go to another, it might be totally different. And the booklet shows everything that could have come in that box. So I'm gonna start with the smallest thing here. I have, this looks like it's Kick Up Pear is what it says. This is Tiger Balm Calming Gel Cream. So that's, obviously this is like a super mega Smurf size of the gelling cream, but let me see if I can find the information on this one. Okay, so this one, if you purchase this full size, this is actually $48. So what this does, it's a gel cream that hydrates your skin, dry patches without over moisturizing oily spots. So let me see if I can open this one up here and see, hopefully I can give you guys. Okay, so that's the way that it looks inside. Isn't much of a smell to it, but it is like a thick creamy texture, non-fragrance. So this is good. I actually have like a dry spot here. I don't know if it's from typing on my computer, like my computer on the desk or what, but it's super dry. So I'm definitely gonna use that. I guess it's from rubbing against the desk. I don't know, but hopefully I'm gonna save that aside for that. All right, and then the next thing we have here is, let me see. This is Butter Lips and Cheek Balm. So that's what the package looks like. Let me see if I can find that here. Okay, so this is from Beauty Tanio, I think, Beauty Butter Lip and Cheek Balm. Like I said, check out my blog and you guys can see, take a look at the correct spelling just in case I said that incorrectly. That's what it looks like, but I don't know. All right, so let me see. This is what it looks like here. And this says it is $16. So this is actually, looks like this is gonna be the full size version of this cheek lip balm. All right, so this is cool. This is pretty. So I'm loving the packaging. So let me see if it is. It is totally closed. All right, so I finally opened it. Okay, so this is what it looks like without all that super mega wrapping. This is what it looks like. So definitely like the packaging, if you can see that there. And then when you open it up, it looks like that. So I'm gonna do a swatch real quick just so we can see the texture of it. So it seems like it's really thick. And that's what it looks like on my wrist. So not a lot of color on this one. The full to retail value, I think I mentioned, it's $16 for this one. And then it's mega thick. So it says here, and keep in mind when I read the booklet, The booklet is like the editor's version of their experience with it. So this is what the editor said. When I applied this balm to my cheekbones and outward to my hairline, the vibrant peach warms up my face. So I guess you can kind of use it as a summer look also. But it does say lip and cheek. So yeah, you can probably use that there because it is pretty light, just to give yourself some color for the summer. All right, so that is that one. So that's pretty cool, in order to give your lips a light color there too. So that's cool. I like lip balms. I like lip glosses. So that works perfectly for me. All right, so the next thing we have here, it looks like this is gonna be a sample. This is Acne Cover Patch. I like these things. Okay, so usually what you do, and there's 8 in here. I've used this before. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys have ever used these before. What you do is, and I'll show you guys on the other side, what you do is you put that over your acne. Let me see if I have any information on this one. But you use it on your acne, and it usually tells you to leave this on for a certain amount of time, maybe overnight, and it does clear out your face. Let me see if I have any info on this. No, oh, it's on the back, sorry. It says right there. So it just says stay clear of acne, and these are what the patches look like there. So I don't want to open it up, but basically you just put it on wherever your acne is. I usually use these overnight. Hold on, my light went out. I usually use these overnight, and they work wonders for me. So that's why I like these out. I like these myself. So definitely using that one. And then the next thing, I don't know what's going on with my light. It's totally bugging out. Then the next thing we have here is Osea. This is Ocean Cleanser. So that's what that looks like there. And I'm gonna just keep going because I can adjust the light later. This one says it's mineralized and balanced. So let me see if we have the full retail value of this one. This is $40. So this is gonna be like a deluxe size version of it. So it's cleanser. So let me just see what the packaging looks like here. And I like cleanser because cleanser is something you need every day. So it looks like a fancy bougie cleanser. So that's that. And the container is actually, seems like it's glass. So that is really pretty. So $40 for the full retail of this. And let me see if there's any information here. So it says it has a citrusy scent, refreshing, and a cooling sensation was much appreciated. So it cools your skin and refreshes your skin. And then we have 2 more items here. So this is from Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. I get a lot of serum from Allure, so I definitely haven't bought any serum in a long time. So let me see. This is a full size version of it, and this is $39. So let me see if we can do a pump real quick. Like serum, it's super clear, if you can see that, and then not really a scent to it. Let me see if it's supposed to have a scent, because I don't really smell any scents to this one here. It says it's healthy, happy, over, let me see anything else. It helps stress complexions. I don't know what that means, but it helps your skin. We all know if you, you can go on my blog and see my daily skincare routine. Serums are super important. We love them. And then the last thing I have here is a charcoal, what is this? Charcoal pore care is what it says. So this one, let me see here. This is $3. And I love masks. I do masks like once or twice a week. So I definitely love getting masks in any subscription. So I'm down with that. So that's everything here. So let us do a recap and see what all happened this month with Allure. So like I said, we have the mask here. And then we also have our cleanser from Osea. And then we have our skin tone, our serum. Almost forgot what it was. And then we have our acne patches, which those last a while because you don't need that much for your face. It's usually usually does it for me. And then we have the lip balm here. And then we also have that for dry skin, the gel. So that is everything that was in my Allure beauty box for the month of July. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys get Allure. Do you like it? I've loved it because of the variety of products that come each month. So let me know in the comment section below what you guys thought of Allure this month. With that being said, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video. And with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a good day. Have a good day, guys. Woo! Can't get through the video. Have a good one.